So one of the things whenever a customer comes in that we feel could cause an uncomfortable experience is they're always trying to describe a noise and they're always afraid to. What I have to encourage you is any descriptive noise or sound helps us diagnose the car so we know what we're looking for. We want to know how often does it happen. We want to know, did it happen on the way in here today? Is there a particular thing that you think may be going wrong with the vehicle? But the descriptive noise or a phrase sometimes helps. So I had a customer come in and said it sounded like a Singer sewing machine. Well, I was raised by a single mom, so I know exactly what a Singer sewing machine sounds like. So it was a very good descriptive noise. So we actually were able to go test drive the vehicle together and actually be able to hear the noise. So I was able to duplicate with that technician and get the vehicle repaired. So whether it's a squeak, an animal descriptive noise of a squirrel in my engine compartment for any reason, nothing is not going to help us. So anything that you can give us a word phrase or the actual physical description of the noise where we can replicate that with the technician and go duplicate it with you, those always help us out. So don't be afraid to give us your craziest attempt at your noise, because it actually may help us fix the car. So thank you very much for your time.